Hi guys. This is the last session on inequalities, and we're going to talk about an area which is graphical representation. You would all have gone through this during your sixth class, seventh class. I'm 100% sure, irrespective of what syllabus you have learned, this would have been a part of your syllabus in your sixth or seventh when simple equations was introduced to you and coordinate geometry was introduced. But nevertheless, we're going to take a relook at it. I'm going to keep it very simple and very short. It's just an introduction because I don't expect graphical representation of inequalities to be coming into any of your exams right now. However, to make sure that I complete this inequalities as a course, as a topic, I am putting it as a part of my module. Let's start with the last part, which is graphical interpretation. Now we are looking at plotting inequalities in your XY plane. Let's start with a simple example. Let us say I have x plus y is greater than 5 and I want to plot this. How will it look in the graph, as a graph? So my first job is convert this into an equation. I will first plot x plus y equal to 5. Now how will this plot look like? It will look like this. There is a line. And for those of you who forgot, the best way to plot any equation is find your x-intercept and find your y-intercept. So which means in this, if you put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 5. So your y-intercept is 0, 5. The next point you want to take is your x-intercept, which means put your y equal to 0. And there you will get x equal to 5. So 5, 0 and 0, 5 become the 2 points. This is the best way to plot any line. Always x and y intercepts. And you can draw the line. This is your line. That's your first step. The second step is actually something interesting and simple. Check for any one point and any one side for the inequality. What does it mean? Take this line that you just have. Now take any point. So this is side A. Let's call it side A. Let us call it side B. Take any point on any one side, doesn't matter. The most preferable point is 0, 0. It will work with any point because 0, 0 is easy for you to check. When you take this point and substitute it in your inequality, so 0 plus 0, is it greater than 5? No. Like a tick cross method? No. Which means this side is false. If one point is false, the entire side, now this side is false. Okay? Now, what does it mean? Then the other side, opposite side, automatically become true side. So your answer becomes somewhat like this. So you can see that this entire region, this is the colored region, is your answer. Now, what about the line? Is the line x plus y equal to 5? Should the line be included? The answer is no. Why is the line not included? Because remember, x plus 5, or rather x plus y is not equal to 5, it is greater than 5. So the line represents all the points where x plus y is 5 and equal to cannot be accepted. It should be greater than. So after this line, right hand side, this is your answer. That is why this line, if you notice, is given to you in the dotted format. Dotted format is a representation in graphs to say something is not included. Now, some of you remember it as greater than means upper, lesser than means lower. That's what you would have remembered it as a kid. But now that you learn the right way is check. Take one point and check. Blindly, you would have learned that, okay, greater than means upper side, lower than means lesser side. But please get a little bit sophisticated. Try to do it in the right way. Check for the origin always. If the line is passing through origin, then take any other point. So if you say the line is passing through origin, then you can take 1, 1. It's an easy point. Any of these easy points you can take and check it. Let's take another example. Now we will look at combination of two lines and how to plot this. Here, plot the first one, which is x plus y is greater than 5, which we already saw. Plot the second line also. 2x minus y less than or equal to 4. To plot this, once again, you first write 2x minus y equal to 4. Find your x coordinate and or x intercept and y intercept. If your x equal to 0, y is minus 4. So 0, minus 4 is 1 point. When your y equal to 0, your x is 2. So 2, 0 is 1 more point. as you can see, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4, and the line is drawn. Now I want to see whether side A or side B is my answer. So I will take 0 comma 0, which is in my side A, and I will put 0 plus 0, or rather 0 minus 0, less than or equal to 4. It is true. So side A is a true side, and therefore you can see that my side A is colored in green. So this is my answer for the second part. Now if you notice here, the line has equal to also. Hence it is a solid line. Whereas here it was a dotted line. Right? So that's the difference. Solid line is included. The end point, the margin, the border is included. Here in the first case, x plus y equal to 5 or greater than 5, the border or the line is not included. Of course, now the last part is you want to combine these two. If you want to combine these two, draw them both together, and remember the word and represents intersection. So it is the common area you want, and clearly the common area is this V shape. This is your common area. So this is your final answer. Right? As I said, you will not be expected to draw this because that's not how it works, but they can ask you, they can give you the graph and they can ask which of the following options represents the pair of inequalities. So this is the way in which you can check. Okay. Well, guys, I hope this is the module has been helpful to you. If you want more modules, if you want to suggest some areas which I want to focus, or which you want me to focus on, feel free to comment. I will always respond to your comments and make videos accordingly. Thank you, guys. See you in the next module.